So today we bought this Midea 7-foot cubic feet chest freezer. We put it in the garage. It's a Chinese brand, yeah. Midea is Chinese brand. This is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and open it. See? Multi-angle door hinge, 2-wire storage basket, safety lock, interior light. Okay, let's open it. Alright, we got it unboxed. Okay, let's go and put this. Drainage hole right there. There's 2 organizers. Got the user's manual. Of the key lock, see? Energy guide shows you the energy usage. This is a perfect little freezer to put your favorite meat, store it for the family to use in the garage. See? Yeah. The 4 wheels you can put install in the bottom if you want to roll it away, but we decided not to use it. Drain plug right there. This is the on-off cooling power right here. And you have to install the lock. To access the plug, you have to unscrew this panel. Oh, see, here's the motor in here too. Here's the power plug. So we rewired it and pushed it to the back. Okay, we have it plugged in. See, indicates the power. Yeah, the option of freezing, cooling, and off. Yeah. So we're waiting it to cool. Oh, even has a built-in light. How cool is that? Now you can put your favorite meat, ice cream, anything you want to freeze. And this will be a welcome addition to the family in the garage. So if you're looking for a compact size, affordable freezer with a cooling option, definitely give the Midea brand a look.